A very good day to Mr. Lee and fellow classmates. Today, my partner Shinyee and I, HanXiang, will present our analytical project on hospital bed from older model to modern hospital bed. Firstly, I will talk about problem definition and classification of all older model hospital bed, while Shinyee will talk about concept generation, prototyping and testing, and lastly, design modification and improvement of latest model hospital bed. Older model bed limits patient movement as the patient tend to falling off from the bed when nurses are away or busy with other matters. Sometimes the tubes even entangle patient body parts. For example, their neck got stranded by it and eventually caused death. It also causes blockage of sodium solution dripping to the patient blood when the patient arm try to compress it. It also increased burden for nurses when the patient need nurses help to move their body onto sitting position when their movement eventually cause some trouble. For example, falling off or cause blockage to sodium solution dripping. Some patients trying to independent as they don't want to trouble nurses to carry out simple tasks. For example, adjusting their posture for their desired position but end up causing trouble. The patient tends to slip downwards when sitting in position, often require nurses' attention. Some patients often fuss about mattress issue as the mattress don't have ventilation system and no moisture regulation, or cause patient to sweat a lot. This also causes the mattress to absorb sweat from patient body, will become fungi and dust mite ideal habitat and eventually infect patient. Uneven distribution of pressure exerted on mattress causes backache as the mattress surface then downward over time. The older model hospital bed has 203 cm of length, 90 cm of width, and 60 cm of height. It has headboard and footboard of square tube, mattress platform structure of steel and steel strip mattress platform articulated of two sections. It has adjustable headrest through the rack and fit with protection pad, and it weight around 150 kg. To transfer patient easily.
I'm Shinyee. I will carry on from concept generation. In the past, patients need nurses' help to move their body into their favorite position. Nowadays, the patient alone to adjust their position by themselves. The latest model hospital bed can be raised and lowered at the head, feet, and their entire height. Raising the feet can help easier movement of the patient toward the headboard and may also be necessary for certain conditions. Raising and lowering the height of the bed can help bring the bed to a comfortable level for the patient to get in and out of the bed. Adjustable hospital bed provide benefit to both patient and staff. It will reduce nurse workout and more comfortable for patient if they can turn over or change a position independently, so that they won't feel that they are useless and feel disappointed at themselves. If adjustable hospital bed is not created, for certain patients may need personal nurses, which will increase their living costs, especially for old folk. After completed the design process, we use 3D printing to print the prototype of the hospital bed, which is more economic and effective. Because if we use 3D printing to print the prototype only need less than 3 hours, if the design got any mistake or error need to be redesigned, using 3D printing to print a prototype for testing is more safe cost and not wasting the material. Usually, hospital bed is needed to send the patient to operation room and other medical checkup. Will enable easier movement of the bed either within part of the facility they are located or within the room. Sometimes, movement of the bed a few inches to a few feet may be necessary in patient care. Wheels of modern hospital bed are lockable. For safety, wheel can be locked when transferring the patient in or out of the bed. Next, bed have side rail that can be raised or lowered. These rails which serve as protection for the patient to prevent patient fall from the bed. Other than that, hospital bed mattress systems are designed to bend with the positioning of the bed and patient. A standard bed mattress will not bend as the bed adjusts. Inner spring mattresses are the most common type of mattress supplier with the medical bed, mainly because of economic.